In this video, we're going to be discussing how much the price of 50,000 Jasmy tokens will be worth by 2025. However, this is to remind you that this is not to be considered financial advice, and thorough research should be carried out on your end before making any investment into Jasmy. Now, before we continue with the video, I want you to keep in mind that if you guys do want to trade crypto, you can do so with CoinW. Now, CoinW offers spot and futures markets, copy trading and direct cryptocurrency purchases, and no KYC is required. So sign up with my link below, which can be found in the description down below this video, and you have a chance to win bonuses up to $30,500. Also, don't forget to join my crypto trading group on Telegram, link in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. Jasmy is an ERC20 token that powers the Jasmy platform, acts as the main utility token of the network, and plays a vital role in building the entire Jasmy ecosystem. Now, this is one of the many tokens that they have been established in the cryptocurrency ecosystem for quite a while now, but they're just beginning to gain popularity and more people are just beginning to see its potential. For this, the amount of investors getting into the token has now grown significantly. The market price of one Jasmy token at the time of recording is valued at about 1.9 cents and has a market cap valued at about $922 million, as you can see shown on the CoinMarketCap platform. Now, this is an excellent price with which interested investors could buy the tokens in large volumes, which would later bring them profits as we're looking ahead to receiving the bull run very soon. So let's establish how much it would cost to get 50,000 Jasmy tokens. Getting 50,000 tokens of Jasmy at this market price would cost you about $950, which, as you can see, is not even up to $1,000. Based on expert assessments and analysis, we expect that the price of one Jasmy token could be at about $5 by the time we enter 2025. This spells out that the 50,000 tokens of Jasmy that cost you $950 when you bought at the rate of 1.9 cents now would be worth about $250,000. Now, Jasmy tokens presented itself in the crypto markets at about $1.30 when it was launched in 2021. The price, however, surged sometime after it was launched to its all-time high price, which was marked at about $4.30 in the same year. However, due to the volatility of the crypto markets, it started experiencing a gradual but slow decline in its market price, and however maintained a very low market price up to this moment when it now has this current market price. We could also, however, base how much the price of Jasmy would be in 2025 on its previous all-time high, which was about $4.30. So let's say it increases to that amount. 50,000 tokens of Jasmy would make you about $200,000. Furthermore, a number of predictions made by experts who notice the potential of Jasmy suggest that the token might not reach its previous all-time high value and expects it to be priced at about $3 by 2025. Now, that would make the 50,000 Jasmy tokens that you bought at about $950 to be worth $150,000. Another one suggests that the token will ascend to $3.20, which spells out that 50,000 Jasmy tokens would make you $160,000 in the year 2025. Also, more conservative market price predictions predict that the market price of Jasmy might not grow beyond $2.70 in 2025, and even at that price, you would be able to sell 50,000 tokens of Jasmy at about $135,000. Consequently, all this outlines the massive profits you are likely to make if you buy into this project early. However, I believe all these predictions were carefully made because they don't want to make it sound too ambiguous and unrealistic. Even though the token has not been presenting with a constant positive trend on the crypto markets, I think, considering the recent efforts of the developers of Jasmy to improve the relevance of the token on the crypto space, evidenced by the notable developments and partnerships that have been incorporated over the years till present time, as well as the impact of the upcoming bull run on the cryptocurrency market, it's really not impossible for the token to once again be priced at its previous all-time high price, around $4.30, and even go beyond to grow up to $5 per Jasmy token as predicted. Although all of these are mere speculations, but as we have seen in the past years in the major cryptocurrencies of recent times, how the bull run has greatly boosted their relevance in the crypto space. Now, it is possible for Jasmy token to replicate the same thing. And as you well know, Jasmy coin is a cryptocurrency initiative by Jasmy Corporation, a Tokyo-based Internet of Things provider. In the IoT realm, devices are equipped with identifiers and data transmission capabilities. Jasmy focuses on data trading, connecting service providers with data users on its platform. Speaking of how it works, Jasmy works by ensuring that user data is being kept in a secure storage of personal data. The Jasmy network utilizes interplanetary file system technology. This consists of the Security Knowledge Communicator and Smart Defender. To activate SKC, users need to go through the registration and identity verification stage, and it's possible afterwards to track transactions and manage data. At this stage, investors and companies receive permission to use the personal information of the owners, and with the help of the Smart Guardian service, IoT devices are securely registered. The developers at Jasmy aim to construct a user-friendly, secure environment for data utilization. Their mission revolves around creating a powerful infrastructure, intuitive interface, and storage that is safe for data sharing, and their developers have been working earnestly to achieve all these soon enough. In the Jasmy ecosystem, data can be converted into personal assets, empowering users with control over their information. The project is known to have partnered with major players in the digital industry. Among them are Transcosmos and Vio. Also lately, Jasmy has introduced its partnership with Panasonic, with which they are working hand in hand by the introduction of new advanced technologies such as inducting Web3 technologies into the network with a view to improving and developing IoT platform while also promoting good user experience. Now, I believe these notable developments could be said to be the reasons Jasmy token has been the talk of the town lately, as the interest of many investors in the token have been on the rise. The current Jasmy token circulating supply is about $49.2 billion at the moment, which shows that there is still room for the token to experience a significant growth in its market price. Therefore, it is advisable that crypto enthusiasts that are interested in the token to accumulate a significant amount of the token, probably little by little if it does not seem convenient to put $950 to it at once. However, you are advised to not consider this financial advice, and it is important that you do proper research before you invest into any token.